Hello mga ka-wisdom! Welcome to Wisdom is Power Channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat! Ngayon pag-uusapan natin arithmetic operation of signed numbers. Signed numbers, the term signed numbers refer to positive and negative numbers. Positive number is a number greater than zero. It uses a plus symbol, while the negative number is a number less than zero. It uses a minus symbol. If no sign is shown, the number is considered automatically positive. So, pag positive, gumagamit tayo ng plus symbol, at kapag negative number, gumagamit tayo ng minus symbol. Kung walang sign ang isang number, ibig sabihin nun, ang number na yun ay positive. So, unahin natin ang pag-a-add ng signed numbers. When adding two signed numbers with like signs, add the values and keep the common sign. So, kung mag-a-add daw tayo ng dalawang positive, halimbawa, pareho na silang like sign, positive, then the answer is positive, no? Kapag naman parehas na negative, then negative din ang sagot. Okay? So, i-add lang natin yung mga values, then i-attach lang natin yung kung ano yung common sign nila. So, kung parehas na silang positive, positive ang sagot. Kung parehas silang negative, negative ang sagot. Okay? So, halimbawa, positive 10 plus positive 7. So, obviously, that is positive 17. Simply, i-add lang natin yung values, then i-fix natin kung ano yung kanyang common sign, which is this time, positive. So, the answer is positive 17. So, again, sinabi natin kung walang plus symbol, no? Or walang sign na ginamit, then the yung number na yun ay positive. So, katulad nito, 12 plus 9. So, ibig sabihin yung 12 na yun ay positive 12 at yung 9 ay positive 9. So, simply get the values. So, 12 plus 9 is 21. So, kahit hindi na natin lagyan ng plus symbol, so, ibig sabihin nun ay positive yung sagot natin na 21. So, negative 8 plus negative 16. So, kukunin lang natin yung mga values nito. 8 plus 16 is 24. Okay, then i-attach natin yung common sign nila, which is negative. So, halimbawa, negative 2 plus negative 14. So, that is yung sum nung dalawang 2, 14 ay 16, no? So, then, i-attach mo lang o i-fix mo lang sa una yung common sign nila, which is negative 16. So, when adding two sign numbers with unlike signs, so magkaiba naman ang kanilang signs, get their difference and use the sign of the number with a larger absolute value in the result. So, kung magkaiba naman yung sign, halimbawa, isang positive at isang negative, o kaya isang negative, i-add natin sa positive. So, magkaiba sila ng sign, isang positive at isang negative. So, ang rule daw natin, kukunin natin yung difference ng mga values na yon, then, ang gagamitin nating sign ay kung sino yung mas malaking value, no? Absolute value dun sa dalawang sign numbers. So, halimbawa, negative 8 plus 16. So, magkaiba, no? Unlike sign. So, isang negative at isang positive. So, kukunin lang natin yung difference nitong dalawa. So, obviously, the difference between the two is 8. So, since yung 16 na malaking value ay positive, so, ang sagot natin ay positive 8. Ngayon, so, sa second example natin, 8 plus negative 16. So, again, magkaiba sila ng sign. They had unlike signs, ano? So, ang gagawin natin, kukunin ng difference nitong dalawa. So, obviously, 8 yung difference ng dalawa. Ngayon, sa case na to, yung negative sign natin na andoon sa mas malaking value, sa negative 16. So, ang result, susundin natin o gagamitin natin yung sign number na yung sign na nandun sa mas malaking number, which is narito siya sa ngayon sa 16. So, negative 8 ang magiging sagot natin. So, 23 plus negative 5. So, obviously, kukunin natin ang difference. That is 18. So, since positive yung mas malaking number, so positive yung ating gagamitin. Okay? So, negative 23 plus 5. So, again, unlike sign sila, kukunin mo yung difference ng dalawa. So, that is 18. Then, susundin natin yung sign ng mas malaking number, which is negative 23. Yun ang gagamitin. Susundin nating sign. So, let's have practice problems. So, for number 1, negative 32 plus negative 15. So, again, pareho sila ng sign. So, i-add lang natin. Then, i-attach natin yung kanilang common sign. So, this 32 and 15 is 47. So, negative because parehas na negative. So, since parehas silang positive, so 13 plus 37, that will give us 50. So, 27 plus negative 42. Again, so this is two numbers with unlike signs. So, kukunin lang natin yung difference nila, which is 15. Then, ang gagamitin nating sign, ang susundin nating sign ay kung saan yung mas malaking value. So, nasa 42 siya, so negative ang gagamitin natin na sign. So, negative 16 plus 25, so this is a unlike sign. So, kukunin lang natin yung difference. Then, since mas malaki yung positive 25, so the answer is positive 9. So, 36 plus negative 18. So, again, unlike signs yung dalawa. So, kukunin lang natin yung difference. Then, ikakapit lang natin yung sign kung saan mas malaki yung number. So, yung positive 36, mas malaking value no. Then, therefore, the answer is simply 18. So, number 6, so negative 70 plus 80, 18 rather. So, magkaiba ng signs, ano? Unlike signs, so kukunin natin ang difference, that is 52. Then susundin natin yung negative sign dahil mas malaking value ng absolute value ng 70. So that will be negative 52. So for other practice problem, number 7, 23 plus negative 16 is simply positive 7. Negative 36 plus negative 14 is negative 50. Number 9 is negative 18 plus 24, that is positive 6. 18 plus negative 24 is negative 6. And 36 plus 14 is obviously positive 50 or simply 50. So next arithmetic operation will be subtraction. When subtracting two signed numbers, change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. So, sa ating arithmetic operations na to, so yung 9 minus 7 equals to, yung 9 ang ating minuend, yung 7 ang tinatawag nating subtrahend, at yung result ng subtraction natin is difference. So sabi dito, kung magsusubtract tayo ng dalawang signed numbers, papalitan natin yung sign nung subtrahend. Then magpo-proceed tayo sa addition. So halimbawa, positive minus positive. So ang gagawin daw natin, i-change natin yung ating sign ng subtrahend. So katulad nito, positive yung subtrahend natin, yung given. Then papalitan natin ng negative. Then we will proceed to addition. Kung parehas na negative, so negative minus negative, then i-change natin yung sign ng subtrahend sa positive, then we will proceed to addition. Kung magkaiba sila, ganun pa rin ang procedure, no? Lagi nating i-change yung sign ng subtrahend natin. So, positive minus negative. So, yung negative sign dito, papalitan natin. Then, we will proceed to addition. So, positive plus positive na siya ngayon. So, negative minus positive. So, again, we will change the sign of the subtrahend. Yung positive natin, gagawin natin negative, then we will proceed to addition. So let's have practice problem. So negative 8 minus 16. So yung 16, yung negative 8 mananatili. Then yung 16 magiging negative. Then we will proceed to addition. So negative 8 plus negative 16. That will give us negative 24. Problem number 2. 23 minus negative 5. So negative 5 magiging siyang positive 5. Then we will proceed to addition. Then 23 plus 5 is simply 28. So problem number 3, negative 32 minus negative 40. So i-change natin yung value ng negative 40, gagawin natin positive 40. Then we will proceed to addition. So negative 32 plus 40, that will give us positive 8. For problem number 4, so 24 minus 50 is simply change natin yung positive 50, gagawin natin negative 50, then we will proceed to addition. So, 24 plus negative 50, that will give us, kukunin lang natin ang difference, katulad ng ginagawa natin sa addition, kukunin lang natin yung difference, then i-attach natin kung nasaan yung sign dun sa mas malaking value, which is negative 50. So, the answer is negative 26. So for more practice problems, so 20 minus negative 16, mapapalitan yung negative 16 ng positive, then we will proceed to addition. This will give us positive 36. Problem number 2, negative 36 minus negative 14. So papalitan natin ng positive 14. Mag-a-add tayo ngayon. So this will give us negative 22. Okay? So, pagmasdan natin mabuti, ano? So, negative 36 minus negative 14. So, again, yung negative 14 natin, subtrahen, papalitan natin ng positive. Then, we will proceed to addition. This will give us negative 22. For problem number 3, negative 18 minus 24, or that is positive 24. So, magiging na itong negative 24. Then, we will proceed to addition, and this will give us negative 42. Problem number 4, negative 18 minus negative 24. So again, papalitan natin yung negative 24 ng positive. Then we will proceed to addition, and this will give us positive 42. For problem number 5, that is 36 minus 14. So yung 14 dito, positive yan. Gagawin natin negative. Then we will proceed to addition. Then this will give us positive 22, or simply 22. So number 6, 27 minus negative 48. So mag-change siya ng sign. So magiging siyang positive, 27 plus 48. And this will give us 75. Problem number 7, negative 32 minus negative 15. So again, mag-change na naman ng sign numbers yung ating negative 15. Magiging siyang positive. So negative 32 plus 15. And that will give us negative 17. So number 8, negative 16 minus 25. This will give us negative 16 plus negative 25. So this will give us negative 41. Problem number 9, 13 minus positive 37. And this will give us 13 plus negative 37. That will be equals to negative 24. And problem number 10, 36 minus negative 18. So, mag-change siya ng sign, magiging siyang positive. So, 36 plus 18. And this will give us 54. So, that's all mga ka-wisdom. Again, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment, at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat!